DisplayPort to HDMI adapters enable seamless connectivity between devices and monitors, supporting high-definition video and audio for versatile setups. My today's video is about top 5 best DisplayPort to HDMI adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Highwings HDMI adapter. The DisplayPort to HDMI adapter is an essential tool for anyone looking to connect DisplayPort-enabled devices to HDMI displays with high-definition clarity. Supporting up to 4K UHD at 30 Hz and backward compatible with 1440p/2K at 60 Hz and 1080p Full HD. It ensures synchronized audio and video for immersive streaming, gaming, or professional applications. Designed for one-way conversion from DisplayPort sources to HDMI monitors, it is ideal for desktops, laptops, and graphics cards from AMD, NVIDIA, HP, Dell, and Lenovo. Its durable construction, featuring 24K gold-plated ports, military-grade tensile nylon, and SR flexible strength design, withstands up to 25,000 flex cycles while maintaining accurate signal transmission. Passive with a built-in conversion chip, it does not support HDMI to DisplayPort or dock station use, and requires DisplayPort alternate mode on your device. Note that resolution and refresh rate settings must match to prevent display issues. Compact, reliable, and high-performing, this adapter delivers vibrant visuals and smooth 3D graphics for any HDMI display setup. Now our second product is Worky HDMI adapter. The Worky DisplayPort to HDMI adapter is a high-quality solution for users seeking reliable 4K connectivity from DisplayPort devices to HDMI displays. Supporting Ultra HD 4K at 30 Hz with flawless audio pass-through, it elevates streaming, gaming, and professional work, while remaining backward compatible with 1440p at 60 Hz and 1080p at 120 Hz. HDCP 2.2 ensures smooth playback of UHD content from Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video. Its sleek aluminum gray casing provides excellent heat dissipation and impact resistance, while the latch-free design and strain relief protect connectors during repeated plug-ins. Built for durability, the adapter features gold-plated pins, high-grade copper wiring, and a braided nylon jacket, ensuring corrosion resistance, interference-free signals, and lasting strength against twisting or damage. Universally compatible with laptops, desktops, GPUs, TVs, projectors, and monitors, it provides a versatile solution for home, office, or gaming setups. Note that it is a passive, unidirectional adapter, strictly converting DisplayPort sources to HDMI displays. Worky delivers quality, reliability, and responsive support within 18 hours, making it an excellent choice for seamless video connectivity. Our third product is CableDirect HDMI adapter. The CableDirect HDMI to HDMI cable delivers uncompromising performance for both professional and home entertainment setups. Engineered to exceed current HDMI standards, it supports UHD 2 resolutions, including 10K at 60 Hz, 8K at 60 Hz, and 4K at 120 Hz, ensuring ultra-clear visuals for gaming, streaming, or professional AV applications. Full HDR support, 7.1 surround sound, ARC, and Ethernet connectivity make it a comprehensive solution for modern multimedia needs. German engineered with multi-layer shielding inside the connectors, gold-plated break-resistant ends, and high-purity copper conductors, it ensures stable, interference-free signal transmission and long-term durability. Available in lengths ranging from 0.5 feet to 75 feet, it adapts to every environment: home theaters, gaming stations, offices, and professional AV installations. Each cable undergoes stringent quality checks and machine testing for flawless performance. Compatible with a wide range of devices including PCs, laptops, gaming consoles like PS5 and Xbox, Blu-ray/DVD players, TVs, streaming devices, monitors, and projectors, the CableDirect HDMI cable guarantees reliability, superior audiovisual performance, and peace of mind with a 36-month manufacturer warranty. Now number 4, building a HDMI adapter. The heavy-duty Cat8 Ethernet cable is a premium solution for both indoor and outdoor high-speed networking. Engineered for durability and performance, it features double shielding to reduce EMI/RFI interference, ensuring stable, high-fidelity data transmission even over long distances. Its upgraded PVC jacket is waterproof, anti-corrosive, UV-resistant, and flexible, allowing direct burial without additional conduit. The thicker 26 AWG construction enhances speed and stability compared to standard 32 AWG cables, making it ideal for AI smart devices like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and cloud servers. With F/FTP shielding and 4 foiled twisted pairs of single-strand OFC wires, it supports bandwidths up to 2000 MHz and data rates up to 40 gigabits per second, perfect for 4K per 8K streaming, gaming, or professional networking. The shielded RJ45 connectors provide broad compatibility with switches, routers, IP cameras, consoles, PS4, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, patch panels, and more, while remaining backward compatible with Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat7. Built for all-weather resilience, it delivers reliable performance, backed by 18 months of support and lifetime customer service. And our last choice is U-Green HDMI adapter. The U-Green 16K DisplayPort 2.1 cable is a next-level solution for gamers, creatives, and professionals seeking ultra-high-resolution performance. Supporting resolutions up to 16K at 30 Hz, 8K at 240 Hz, and 4K at 240 Hz, it delivers stunning visuals with HDR, HDCP 2.2, FEC error correction, and UHBR10 for flawless image and audio quality. With an unprecedented 40 gigabits per second bandwidth, almost 3 times that of DP 1.4, the cable ensures stable, high-speed transmission without signal loss, making it perfect for multi-monitor setups via MST. Optimized for gaming, it fully supports FreeSync, G-Sync, VRR, and Auto Low Latency Mode, YLLM, offering smooth gameplay in FPS, MOBA, and AAA titles. Its ultra-durable design includes 28 AWG tinned copper wires, triple shielding, aluminum alloy housing, and a nylon-braided jacket, providing exceptional EMI resistance, heat dissipation, and long-term reliability. Broadly compatible, it works with NVIDIA RTX and AMD Radeon graphics cards, Odyssey G8/G9, Alienware, Bank, LG UltraGear monitors, HD TVs, and more. U-Green's DP 2.1 cable ensures an immersive, lag-free, and reliable audio-visual experience for demanding setups. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.